In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to a list in ClickUp. If you need a task to appear in more than one list, ClickUp makes that process quick and straightforward. This is especially useful when the same task needs to be visible to different teams, projects or workflows without creating a duplicate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add an existing task to another list, so it stays organized and easy to find. To begin, open the task you want to add to another list. Make sure you're inside the task window before moving on, because the option you need is located in the task's menu. Once the task is open, go to the upper right corner of the task and click the three-dot menu. This opens a drop-down with more actions you can take for that task. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. It's nested inside another menu. From that drop-down, hover over the option labeled Add To. When you place your cursor over it, another submenu will appear. This is where ClickUp lets you choose where else the task should be added. Next, click Another List. This tells ClickUp that you want to keep the current task and add it to an additional list, rather than moving it away from where it already is. Now it's time to find the list you want. You can use the search box if you already know the name of the list, which is usually the fastest option. Or, if you prefer, you can browse manually through your spaces and folders until you locate the correct list. Take a moment here to choose carefully, especially if you work in a workspace with many similar project names. When you found the right destination, click the list where you want to add the task. As soon as you do, ClickUp will add that task to the selected list. To confirm that it worked, look for a checkmark beside the lists containing the task. That checkmark is your visual confirmation that the task now belongs to that list as well. If you see multiple checkmarks, that means the task has been added to multiple lists. And that's it. You've successfully added a task to another list in ClickUp. This is a great way to improve visibility and keep related work connected across different areas of your workspace. Thanks for watching.